In this guide, I'll show you how to get Roblox Plus on your mobile device. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Roblox Plus is a subscription service that offers several benefits, including item trading, sending Robux, private servers, and more. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. To get started, open the Roblox app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap the More option located in the bottom right corner. At the top of the menu, you should see Roblox Plus. Tap on it to continue. You'll be taken to the Roblox Plus subscription page. Depending on your region and current promotions, you may see a free trial offer. Scroll down to view the available benefits, which may include discounts on in-game items, larger discounts over time, unlimited private servers, Robux transfers, item trading and reselling, and the ability to publish games and avatar items. Tap Try It Free or select a subscription plan that suits your needs. Some plans include monthly Robux when the subscription renews. Choose your preferred option and review the pricing details. If you're using an iPhone, the purchase will be processed through the App Store. Android users will complete the purchase through the Google Play Store. Confirm the subscription and wait for the transaction to finish. Once the purchase is successful, the page will reload and display a welcome message confirming that Roblox Plus is active. You can then access and enjoy all the included features. After returning to the Roblox app, refresh your profile and you should see the Roblox Plus badge displayed next to your username, indicating that your subscription is active. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more Roblox guides and how-to videos, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.